So, coming to today class, today what is meant by software testing we are going to see. Okay, what is meant by software testing? What are the things comes under manual testing and functional testing? What is meant by functional testing? The things, everything we will discuss here. Okay. In before going inside this, I want to discuss one small thing to you. Okay. Have you seen this game? No? Sure? Yeah. This. Okay. If you don't mind, can you tell me the points? If you are the tester of this game, okay, you are the tester of this game. Can you tell me the points? What are the testing you will do? That means it's like a way of thinking a scenario. Any application, if you are going to test, in that application, how you will think about that. For example, whether it is a game or a login page or a e-commerce website or a banking sector, anything else. First of all, we want to notify something and then we do something now. Like that, today I am asking to you to play a game this. By the way of playing this game, you can able to have a way of n number of thinking scenarios related to this. Okay. First point, what you will do?
I'll read the details about the game.
Okay, details.
Like how to play the game and how many members can play this game.
Okay, members of the game.
What kind of symbols we can
Very
use
good.
here.
What kind of symbols we use? Used.
And how many vertical lines, horizontal lines are there? This is a detail.
Yeah. It is comes under details. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Then there is a permutation combination that how can we play the game? Is it with like if we go with the appearance, that is there in a what is the shape of this game and all?
Okay, what is the shape of the game? Okay, now you started the game. What you will do? Now you before testing you will do all the things.
Yes.
Okay, that is okay. Finished. Now you started this game. Now you started testing this game. What you will do
I'll
first?
first put the symbol anywhere in the.
Okay, anywhere in the box.
I will see whether the symbol is visibly properly or not.
Okay, symbol is visible.
Then how many players are there and how they are playing the game.
Okay.
So when I put one symbol, is the system allowing the other person to enter in the game?
Very good, very good, very good.
Or only the first person is entering the game? Because
Okay.
there is a two person who is playing, no?
Yeah. Entering with two persons.
And
Okay.
the second person symbol
The second person
should be
symbol.
different from the first one.
Second person symbol. Okay. Okay, very good.
Then there is a pattern, right? if we do in a same like we can do the Chris from this and cross from this also. So I'll see from which direction we can pass the game.
Okay.
And there is some point in the game where there is a tie also.
Yeah.
So win and fail and tie. There is a three conditions also there, no?
Yeah.
So I will see which condition will apply and the game will be proceed.
Okay. Yeah, very good. Thank you. These are the things it will comes under, everything will comes under functional testing.
Yes. Functional. This is functional.
Yeah,
testing.
yeah.
Okay.
It's related to all these types of things that are comes under functional testing. Okay. The non-functional testing is the thing that if the game is running through the internet connection.
Yes.
If the game is running through the internet connection, then you are switch off the internet and then you working. Okay. Or otherwise, simultaneously you're giving a two touch inside this game. Simultaneously giving a two touch inside this game. It is not possible, but you're trying to like this means, yeah, that those things and not for this game. For example, an Amazon page on anything comes under a online gaming. In the online gaming, their person is trying to run a game in a continue for example 50,000 users. 50,000 users running to run a game in a single time at a time. That time the game was running correctly or not. Those comes under non-functional testing.
What is load testing?
Yeah, everything is non-functional testing.
Non-functional testing.
Yeah, because whatever you told, no, it's related to this game only. Whether persons X mark or 0 mark or vertical symbols, who is function, everything it's dependent on here, right?
Right.
So when the load 50,000 users load, it's trying to test there. That is comes under our non-functional testing. Okay, everything we hear is non-functional testing. So we want to know what is be functional testing and non-functional testing. Okay, what are the application features? How how you explain about these points? These points all comes under functional testing. Okay, so the non-functional testing is different, entirely different. The way of giving load, the way of giving stress, like that, it's different, entirely different. Okay, I will tell later. First, we want to see the functional testing here. The functional testing is this, checking the functionality features of the application. Okay. So here, the first is manual testing as well as automation testing. Okay. What is manual testing? What is automation testing? Manual testing is the thing that we are checking only the user interface. Okay, the first web, the front end of the HTML CSS codings. Okay, in the Selenium view also we will test the same thing. Okay, and in automation view we will test the Selenium tool with the automation coding. Whether the mobile application, here also the mobile application can able to do this. Okay, mobile application or a web application both are tested in the automation view also, in manual view also. Okay, in API testing is different. This was you have told, you have asked, I think so. This is the thing, manual testing.
Yes. Postman.
Yeah, Postman. Manual, Postman and automation, REST assured API. REST assured API. The Postman, what we do in the automation view. That is called as automation REST assured API, REST assured tool. Okay. And here, this is called manual testing, this is called an automation testing. These are the things we will see in the manual and automation. Okay. This both called as comes under functional testing. Okay. And non-functional testing is the thing a J meter and load runner. The J meter is a thing. It will have the tool. Okay. It will have the 8 GB RAM minimum needed to run the J meter. And minimum i3 processor is needed. So what it will do the 50,000 users inside it.
What is performance testing?
Huh?
Performance testing?
Yeah, performance testing is J meter.
Acha, oh, acha, fine.
Performance
But
testing.
these are the tools, no? Performing.
Yeah,
testing,
yeah.
those steps.
Yes.
JMeter and load.
Load runner.
Okay.
Okay. JMeter will do how the 50,000 users, if the application can able to see 50,000 users meeting working at same time, it's not possible. In any computers, in any not a big company also, it's not possible. What they do, once you are typing one URL, you are opening one web page. Inside the web page, you are pasting the URL and clicking on the enter. That time it will what do? It will hit the server and then it will reflect the response. It was happening here, right? Once hitting the server, that process is designed in the JMeter. Okay, that we can able to increase the processor up to 50,000, 10,000, 30,000, like that we can able to increase. By the way of increasing that, it will hit the 50,000 users at the same time. That much of facilities are inside the JMeter. It is an open source tool. Okay. In that tool, if we hit and then we can able to notify that the non-functional testing is the performance testing is currently functioning on it. Okay, that is comes under all the things comes under non-functional testing. Okay, whatever whatever the things you told, it comes under functional testing. Non-functional testing is the performance testing and the load runner everything. Okay. And these are the principles of software testing. Let have an idea about this. First thing is that we can't assume that the product is 100% bug free. Anything bug will be there. Okay, we can't able to give 100% bug. Okay. Exhaustive testing is not possible. Testing all the combination of valid or invalid data is possible. We can't able to test everything. Yeah. Anything we can able to miss. That's the thing. That's the principles of software testing. You have you go through this, then you can have an idea. Okay. That much of not important things here. You just have reading or read out it, then you can have an idea. Okay. The main thing is the SDLC that we have discussed earlier yesterday. Okay, then same thing, requirement gathering, analysis, design, development, coding, testing, everything. And I explained here, you have an idea. This is a waterfall model. Okay. This is the advantages of waterfall model and disadvantages of waterfall model. Okay. And the second is the thing is that spiral model. But this spiral model is nowadays they are not using. Why they are not using means they keep on increasing the today's advantages. So they are not using the spiral model because spiral model will belongs to one company, and they want to work simultaneously. The simultaneously they work means they can't able to interact with each other. So always the program will be failure. But sometimes this was followed by the previous way, not nowadays. Okay. What is the advantages? What is the disadvantages? Everything's here. Prototype now not that much important. The main thing is the V model. Okay, here is the main important thing. We want to know about everything. Here We have already tabled about the DRS, CRS, URS.
Yes.
Okay. This, all the requirements will comes and then it comes under verification. Verification means it comes under up to coding. After the coding view, they are testing view to the deployment of the person, that comes under validation view.
Then integration testing and system testing, who will do the tester only?
Yeah, tester
Because unit testing is done by the developer, right?
Retesting,
No, unit testing.
yeah, unit testing will be done with the
Developer.
developer.
So integration testing, system testing is done, and user acceptance testing is done by the main tester.
Yeah, main testing.
Retesting.
Yeah.
What is integration testing?
Integration testing is the thing is that, for example, you consider this one screen, two screen, three screen, four screen also. In the four screens, you will test only a single part of the test screen.
Okay.
Only a single view only you will test, not the full screen. Because a full screen you test means that is called as a regression testing. Okay, a group of screens tested in a single component. That way of testing is called integration testing. For example, one group, a login page. Click on the forgot password. Then it moves to the again. Here you type the phone number and then click on next button. Then it will move to the next page. So here we also three pages. But you check only the forgot password and here the next button only.
That is integration.
That is regression.
And what is regression? Because I considered this as a regression.
No. Regression testing is that username give password given. Forgot password clicked. That is the way of given is called regression testing. The regression testing means in the single screen you test all the view. You moving to the next view.
What is sanity testing?
Sanity testing is the thing. If you reported that the password is not typing. Okay, the password is not allowing to type manually. And you have reported to the developer. The developer was fixed the bug and you retesting. That retesting, that time you will test not only test that minor change, you will test all the view, all the components you will test, like the username and the password and the login button and the create a new account, everything you will test. The logo is present or not, everything you will test. At the second cycle, when the minor changes was done in their code, due to that minor change, there is a problem in here that view or other views are correctly working or not. The existing functionality is correctly working or not. That bug fix is correctly working or not. That type of view is called as a sanity testing. Okay, regression testing is the first cycle when you got it for testing. That time testing is called as a regression testing. The sanity testing is the second cycle when you got it for testing. That time we will test all the components. That is called as sanity testing. Okay, so the two are different. So V model comes under verification and validation. The verification view is fully the top to coding point is called as a verification. Validation is after coding our part and up to installation and then again maintenance is called as validation. Okay.
And what is system testing?
System
System testing, integration to
system testing. System testing is the thing, end-to-end testing. Before UAT, we want to give one assurance. Before you launching to the UAT, the person will give the assurance. The quality person will give the assurance. Yes, this testing is finished in this environment. In this environment, it's working correctly. Please launch into the UAT. Like that, you will give an assurance. How you will give that assurance? You will test all the strings inside the web page. You will test from the top to bottom. That is called as end-to-end testing. Yeah, that I will show you. Everything I will show you. This unit testing, end-to-end testing, system testing, user testing. I will show step by step. Yeah, here only. Here, the first thing, unit testing that you know very well, the developers will do. Why the developers are doing? To reduce the bug. What they have done inside the coding, they want to know. For those things, this comes under unit testing. Okay, intervention testing is the thing. Compilation of unit testing. That means all the models are integrated, or how they are integrated or not. That only we. For example, 4 screens are there. The integration part only you will check. Okay. The system testing is the thing. It's the last testing. It depends upon one. Okay. For example, there are 3 screens are there. The 3 screens is correctly functioning or not from the top to bottom. You will check fully. That is called as a system testing. Okay. And UAT testing that you will know very well. User acceptance testing. Okay. What are the advantages? What are the disadvantages of V model that we will see here? Yeah, here is the main, is an important topic that is called as a Scrum, Agile model. In your company, which types of technology they are using? Scrum or waterfall?
No technology.
No technology. Okay. Because nowadays Scrum is the main important role. If you done the Scrum Master, you can able to work as a Scrum Master also in any other companies. In any other companies, Scrum Master will be the product owner.
Yes, who will take the responsibility
Of the whole project.
Yes, yes, yes. For this.
Okay. Like this way you go, we can able to have an idea very much. For example, see here. This is the team. Okay, this is the framework of Scrum Agile. Okay. Before the waterfall model, it will keeps on step by step. It will keeps on step by step only. It will not go from the beginning. You can't able to go from the beginning. Okay. From our team and the business team, there is no connection between us. Okay. Likewise, it goes by step only. The coding point of view, the developer and the tester only will keep on discussing. But here, it is entirely different. Okay. One of our product owner will be test with us. Okay. And then the backlogs means the user story. The user story will be listed out here. Okay. After this user story, the person who is going to be in this project, the test plan will be arranged. Okay. As per the subtasks. Okay. Everything I will show in now in the Jira. Okay. Next, today I have an idea. Tomorrow we will start this freshly. Okay, because I want to open the Jira. I want to top to bottom. I want to explain this to you. Okay, now I am telling the idea of this about this simply. It is a continuous integration and continuous delivery. CI/CD process will be takes place here.
Yes.
CI/CD, continuous integration and continuous delivery. Okay. Here, the task will be arranged by the Scrum Master or the product owner. Okay. They will arrange the daily call. The daily call, what are the things are done, will be noted. And then, as per that, the project will be finished in this timing. And otherwise, the sprint will be increased. For example, consider that the sprint is 0 to 14 days. Okay, 2 weeks. 2 weeks is one sprint. They have arranged that 4 user stories in a 3 sprint. Okay, 4 user stories in 3 sprint or 2 sprint. Consider 2 sprint. One sprint was finished. Only one user story was finished. and another sprint was finished, only one user story was finished. And the balance user story, one user story is there, and then retesting is also there. So then they planned to arrange another user story and another sprint. They are extending the manpower. Okay. Why? Because due to the project not finished at the time, so they are extending the sprint and then the testing again. Okay. At that time, once the tested in the correct way, they are extending the sprint, and then that time they asking that the product owner will ask when will be the delivery. I need a delivery time. Like that they will ask, and then they will be in the call, daily call. Okay, in daily call they will ask what's the day, what's the end timing, what is the end timing. I need a product at the immediate occur. So for that, they will have a sprint planning, and then they will arrange the sprint. Okay, in that the final sprint, the delivery of the before that they have delivered the two user story. No, the two user story will be tested by the product owner, and then the maintenance is there. They will give back to us. That also will be comes under this last sprint only. Okay, this last sprint is the final sprint. We want to deliver it immediately, and then we want to fulfill all the requirements of the product owner. Okay, the last sprint will done, and then it will also deliver in a success rate. Okay, that is the main purpose here. The agile nowadays in all the companies we are using. This product owner may be the scrum master or otherwise our businessman, our business analyst. Okay, he knows very well about the product. So he will just keep on our product, and he will give the functionality ideas about our product.
You also track the whole project.
Yeah, yeah.
Like how much testing is done,
How much it is not done, everything he will only. Okay, the product will. So we did that. So let's have an idea today about this. Tomorrow we will discuss more thing about this. Okay.
What is agile?
Agile, like what is the waterfall model? Like this is an agile model. Nowadays this is the functionality going now. Okay. Simple thing want to tell means agile is the newly technology keep on increasing the nowadays. Because it is having the sprint product owner also, so we can able to discuss more the things inside this project owner.
So today we have learned the functional and non-functional testing, B module and
Agile.
agile.
I am able to start now also, but it's take much more time. That's why the first topic we will start from tomorrow. Okay. So I will give this video and the recorded video. Okay, and the study video also in our group. Okay.
Please tell Kartika to make the group.
Yeah, sure. He is the colleague. Sorry, she is the colleague.
Your colleague.
No, no.
They are in 8:30 to 9 batch.
Nah,
No?
the Kartika's colleague.
Oh, okay.
She is a
There is a batch, no?
yeah.
9,
8 to 9.
9.
That 8 to 9 batches, the 2 members is there.
Combined.
Yeah. I combined that into 7:30 itself because that person, I think, he will not continue. I don't know what is the reason. person feels like that some other reason is there. I can't able to pay that much of fees like that.
Actually, he's talking with her.
To pay the fee.
Yeah, but he's talking in Tamil, so I don't understand.
That much he can't able to pay like that. We have discussed with them. So it was cancelled. Yesterday I have done the demo meeting. That was finished. So now இவங்களையா? இல்ல இவங்க வந்துட்டு நானு இப்ப அவங்க 2 பேர் இருக்காங்கல்ல, அவங்க கூட கம்பைன் பண்ணிக்கலாம்னு பார்த்திருக்கேன், பேசியிருக்கேன். இன்னும் அவங்க கிட்ட வந்தாதான் அவங்க டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணுவோம். ஃப்ரெஷ்ஷாவே பண்ணுங்க. அதுல வந்தாங்கன்னா அவங்க அதுல அப்படியே ஆட் பண்ணிடுங்க.
Can you please lie down? Down, up, up. Again now. Where is that load and what is that?
J meter.
J meter is. Okay, non-functional test, you know? Yes. Non-functional.
This document I will give to you. Okay.
Okay, okay. Okay. So I'll meet, if they make the group, I'll do that,
Excel sheet and then
Yes.
come. Okay.
test cases. For payment gateway, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Anything doubt you can ask me. Okay.
They'll add you in the group file.
Yeah, sure. Okay. Okay. Thank you.